In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pressure-sensitive brush in Adobe Illustrator. Start by opening your Illustrator document. You can use an existing file or a new one, but make sure you're inside the document where you want to create and use the brush. Having the document open first makes it easier to preview and apply your brush settings right away. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Brushes. This will open the Brushes panel, which is where Illustrator stores and manages the brushes available in your current document. If you don't already see the panel on your workspace, this is the fastest way to bring it up. Once the Brushes panel is open, look to the bottom right area of that panel and click New Brush. A new dialog box will appear, giving you several brush types to choose from. At this point, select the type of brush you want to create. Illustrator gives you options like calligraphic brush, scatter brush, art brush, bristle brush, or pattern brush. Choose the one that best fits the effect you want, then click OK. If your goal is a more natural pen-like stroke, the calligraphic brush is often a good place to start, but you can use any of the available types listed here depending on your project. After that, another settings panel will open so you can configure the brush. Here, you can edit the brush name if you want to keep your brush library organized. You'll also see controls for angle, roundness, and size. These settings affect how the brush behaves and how the stroke looks on the artboard. Adjust each value as needed for the style you want. Beside those settings, you'll notice drop-down menus. Click the drop-down next to the setting you want to control and choose Pressure. This option is only available if you're using a pressure-sensitive input device, such as a drawing tablet or stylus. Once pressure is selected, you can also adjust the variation amount. This determines how much the stroke changes based on how lightly or firmly you press. Set the variation to pressure for the setting you want to respond dynamically. This is what gives the brush that pressure-sensitive behavior, allowing your lines to feel more natural and expressive as you draw. When you're happy with the setup, click OK to save the brush. And that's it. Your pressure-sensitive brush is now ready to use in Adobe Illustrator.